Whoa, what's up, guys? Question for you. Why are white people so lame? That's what I'm asking you right now. Why are white people so lame? Let me tell you a little story that just happened. My vacuum cleaner over here, it's not working. I'm detailing this old truck. I had to go across the street to the do-it-yourself car wash. And I pulled up. This old thing doesn't have a radio that works. Another thing that was wrong, my earbuds, battery's dead. I'm sitting there vacuuming and I'm like, man, this is boring as hell. But they had some white people who were cleaning their truck. And I'm thinking to myself, I'm sure they're privileged, their radio works. Why aren't they playing some tunes? And sure, they have to sign up, no loud music, anything like that. Come on, this is a nice Wednesday. Lot to be happy about. Beautiful day. Let's bump. Let's party. They're not playing any music. Square as can be. And then they had a family, a POC family, roll up, right? Roll up. And first thing they did was crank it. They pumped it. They were playing some bumping music. They left the car running. So I guess the amps wouldn't kill the battery. Had two little small children with them, probably 5, 6, 7 years old. They were having a good time, dancing, twerking. It was fun. I was really enjoying myself. But here's another reason why white people are so lame. And leave a comment. Let me know, why are white people so square and so lame? They kind of start staring at the POC family who's playing the good music. And I don't know what kind of music. I don't know what kind of music they were playing, but it was popping. It was popping. It was bumping. It was loud. They were dropping F-bombs, N-bombs, talking about cops. I was loving it. Again, kids were twerking. They were dancing. Everybody's having a good time. Then the white people start staring at them. Lame. Square move. They start staring at them. And they're lucky they didn't get their ass beat. And the black people turn the music off. POCs, I apologize. And there goes all the fun. Now I'm just stuck, no music, nothing fun, vacuuming a car for another 20 minutes. Super lame. Why are white people lame? I don't know. But I'd love for you to leave a comment and tell me why. Why they gotta be so lame? Why they gotta be so square? Lame.
By the time 09 rolled around, I was looking up consent ages in my local town. 16 would be sweet, and you know I couldn't wait 6 more years and Raymond would have a date. I asked Dad for his blessing and he hesitated. He was begging me to wait, so we had a debate. Daddy let me penetrate. How about